Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear. Happy birthday to you. We're here to celebrate. It's a special day. Let's see, drink and dance the night away. Yeah. You're kind and caring, funny and bright. You fill our lives with joy and light. So let's make some memories tonight and dance until the morning light. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear. Happy birthday to you. We're here to celebrate. It's your special day. Let's see, drink and dance the night away. Hey, yeah. Happy birthday to you.
This is Joshua Rizzo, binabati ka ng happy birthday. God bless you, Jordy, and stay happy. See you soon.
I just want to wish you a happy birthday. Have fun, take care.
Happy birthday. Mag-ingat ka parate. God bless. I hope to see you soon and enjoy your birthday. Bye! Mwah.
I want to wish you a happy birthday. Hope to see you really soon. Hope you have the best year ahead of you, and God bless you. Take care.
Happy birthday to you. I hope you enjoy your birthday and I wish you all the best. God bless and I hope to see you soon.
Happy birthday sa'yo. Mag-enjoy ka and see you, man.
Happy birthday, God bless you, enjoy your day.
Kamusta ka? Sana lagi kang mag-ingat. God bless you and more powers sa'yo. At sana magkita tayo soon. I love you.
Kumusta po kayo? Happy birthday po. Sana lagi kayo mag-iingat. God bless po.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. God bless. Gcash mo na yan.
Happy birthday, Mami. God bless po.
Hi, mamala, ganun po. Wish ko po para sa iyo, sana po bigyan ka pa po ng maraming blessing at good health. Yun lang po, bird po.
Happy birthday, Mami Mage. All blessing to come for you. Mami, happy birthday.
Hi Mami, Shawi, happy birthday. More birthday to come and stay pretty and beautiful. Yun lang. God bless.
Happy birthday, Mommy. Ayan. Wish ko good health for you, Mommy, and more blessing to come. Nakikinig pa ako. Ayan. Thank you sa lahat ng mga advice mo na na-apply namin sa buhay natin. And ingat ang muli yung sarili mo kahit saan ka magpunta, lalo't nang gagamot ka. Ayan. Wala na akong masasabi kundi I love you so much, Mommy. Ingat ka.
Hi, Mami. Happy birthday. More birthday pa at more kota para sa'yo. Sana maraming Titanic ang matanggap mo ngayong araw na to. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Baby Mitch. Enjoy your day ngayong araw. Kahit meron tayong problema, malalagpasan natin to. And then, enjoy your day. Always good health. God bless you. Mabuhay kang hanggang gusto mo. Yun lang. Wala na akong masabi.
Hello, Mommy. Happy birthday. We love you. Then, huwag mo na lang intindihin yung mga negative na sinasabi nila. Basta enjoy lang
Happy birthday. Thank you po. Be strong po. Andito lang po kami sa likod niya. Happy birthday po ulit.
Happy birthday to my mom. I wish you all the best for this year. Kahit anong year. Hanggang kailan mo gusto. Happy birthday, mama. And also, have a good health, syempre. Para lagi tayong magkasama. Kahit saang apps pa yan, isasama kita. Huwag mo intindihin lahat ng mga nagpapagulo ng peace of mind mo. Kayang-kaya mo yan, ikaw pa ba? Kanino ba ako magmamana? Di sa'yo. And also, thank you kasi palagi ka nandyan para sa akin. Wala kang choice, ma. Ako na to Charing. And, salamat. Salamat lang. Maraming salamat. Kasi, ang ganda ng pagkakahulma mo sa akin. Why? Hindi gaganon. Charing lang. Yun lang. Happy birthday. I love you.
Happy birthday sa nag-iisang ina ng Mahiwaga family. We love you!
Happy birthday, Mommy. Thank you for everything you've done for our agency. God bless and enjoy your day. Happy birthday.
Hi, Mommy! Nang ina mo ng lahat! I just wanna say happy birthday sa'yo, Mommy. Hindi ko na kailangan pahabain to kasi na-i-DM ko na sa'yo. Mahal na mahal ka ng Mahiwaga. I love you, Mommy. Happy birthday! Mwah!